All right, guys, this is my absolute favorite toilet paper, Cottonelle Ultra Clean Care. I like this because as women, we have so many issues down there and sometimes have a hard time feeling clean. But for me, this here is the only toilet paper that makes me feel clean and dry down there. All right, so this one actually comes in 6 rolls, but it's like having 32 rolls, how thick it is. So we open it up. It's very, it's packaged very great. All right. These rolls are not going anywhere and they will not be exposed to anything unless you puncture it. All right. I will note that the packaging looks different now, but it's the same product. Okay. This is the toilet paper. Look how thick that roll is. It will last a long time, and it does last a long time. Okay. Little ripples in it. I believe this is what gets me clean. But yeah, it's 2-ply. And it's recommended to use it with their actual wet wipes that are flushable, which I do have as well. So I feel double clean. I have city water, so I don't know how this does on septic systems, but I have not had this back up the toilet at all. This does not leave any lint behind when I wipe. And like I said, I feel extra clean. Let me see if I can get some water so you can see how this looks whenever it's wet. Well, you know what? I have an actual spray bottle here. All right. I mean, it absorbs very well. Okay. It is unscented, so I don't have to worry about using anything that my body doesn't want on it. It is overall a fantastic toilet paper to me, and I will not use anything else.